It's no great secret that the internet is full of scammers and hackers, and everybody's seeming to want to destroy your privacy and security. So that's why every week here on the Kim Komando Show, we do our DIY security tip. And this week, it's not all about the hackers and the hoodies and the scammers that are trying to get you and the robocallers and the phishing scams. We're talking about nosy relatives, right? Or just curious bystanders and how you can protect what's really happening in your life. Because when you think about it, your phone is really just a handheld computer nowadays, and everything that's happening in your life is happening on your phone. So what can you do to make sure that nobody's snooping on your phone? Well, that's why you're here, and let us point out the ways. Number one is you want to make sure that you check your data usage. It's one of the best ways to catch sneaky kids or grandkids or spouses in the act of messing with your phone. Don't worry, we're going to tell you how to do that on your iPhone as well as on your Android device. And keep tabs on your battery health, too. If you set your phone down at 90% and it comes back at 80%, something could be going on in the background that you need to know about. Next on our list, you want to make sure wherever your phone is located. I mean, you might be putting it down and then suddenly somebody might have access to it. There's also Find My iPhone and Find My Mobile that you also want to check out too. We're also going to tell you how to make sure that you truly lock your phone, okay? Don't be like Kanye West and just have that passcode of 000000. Everybody knows that's what it is, okay? You want to set up different levels of authentication on your phone so that this way only you can access the contents. You also want to keep your notification screen clean. So you know what I'm talking about. You're at a meeting, you get a text message, and then somebody can just lean right over and see exactly what that message says. Well, what you want to do is make sure that you get the notification without the text message, because sometimes those text messages can be, well, kind of racy. You also want to keep it quiet. What does that mean? Well, the noises on your phone can be a telltale sign of what you're doing. We're going to tell you how to keep your phone in silent mode. And also, a lot of phones let you have custom vibrations, so you can actually tell what's happening just by listening to the phone's vibration. You also want to put limits on how you share your phone. Now, there are some features built into the iPhone I bet you never even looked at. I'm talking about things called guided access. And on your Android, there's something called pinning. Don't worry. If you head over to komando.com and hit that Show Pics button right on the homepage, we're going to tell you how you can read more about this and also set it up step by step. And that's our DIY security tip this week that I think is one of the best ones we've ever done so far. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.